Alright guys, today's video we're going to be heading to Idaho Truck Invasion. They're going to be doing a dyno event there and a truck show and stuff like that. And so we're just doing some last minute preparation to get her ready. I put in all these boost gauges over here. I got these boost gauges right here. And so now I'll be able to know exactly how much boost and all I'm going to be making. I'm going to know exactly what's coming out of here. And then I'm going to also know exactly what the back pressure should be. So yeah, the other things I've done is I've taken this hose because the coolant was just spraying the turbos, so I ran this hose down to the floor for now, and I got some pressure, so I put some of my own of those in since I was borrowing some from Sean. I still don't have a catch can, so it's just going to be dripping onto the ground for now. But yeah, we're going to dyno this thing before we go and see how much it makes. Oh yeah, that's also the new addition. We got a Mishimoto intercooler. So hopefully that'll be able to hold up to a lot more boost for what we need. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a second.
Screws? Yeah.
Uh-oh. I've got 2.
4, 6, 8, 10.
And I've got 2.
Okay. So put one right here. We should have almost enough. Fucking do it. It can be done with math. How many do we have?
There was 12. 11 now.
We can do 1 in each
9.
one all the way down.
Right, has 2, so 11.
3, 6, 9, 12.
1,
We can
2,
do 1,
3,
in each
4,
board all the way
6,
down.
8, 9, 10.
1 and a board.
Yeah, that's fine. Do the same? No, 1. Just 1? Yeah. Okay.
Getting ready for Idaho Truck Invasion. Gotta tow that guy. Building a trailer. Fixing it, I should say.
There was 2 shots of grease. Fuck, I hit the hole dead on. I hit the pre-hole.
Tighten that one a little more. No, good job, Bucky. Okay. Yeah, so should I just do it? Or
One here
should?
somewhere, huh?
Alright, the little brother wants to drive the old race truck. Let's see how he does. Was that good? Alright. Oh, he's rubbing the old roll something. Here, roll me up. Sheesh. Black smoke blasted us in the last one. Alright, let's see it. We're at Chick-fil-A and they don't have the, oh, we're at Wendy's. And we can't drive our trailer through here, and the inside ain't open, so we're gonna go through like this, just walking. All right, we made it to our hotel for the next couple nights, and the old guy fell out of there somehow.
It plugs right in.
Yep. Anyways, we're freaking tired, so we're gonna go to bed. Good night.
What are you doing?
There's no way I'm getting that.
Fixing this guy.
Chase came prepared.
Brought every tool I could think of.
Alright, it's the next day. We got our wiring harness all bolted up, and if you don't know, if you buy one of those and you look at the diaphragm, it don't tell you nothing. We had to freaking do all this research, search online for hours about how the diaphragm works, because it doesn't give you any color coding or anything like that, and it's just a pain in the butt. Anyways, we got it. It all works now, so our trailer's working. And I don't know if I told you guys this, but Chase is towing us down here with a 1,000 horsepower truck. He's towing 1,000 horsepower, or he's towing my truck with 1,000 horsepower. And legit, on the way down here, he got 17 miles per gallon at 80 miles an hour and didn't even go over 1,000 degrees. So, I mean, this is a pretty good load, so that's pretty dang good. Alright guys, we made it to the event with our trucks. We got our trucks on display here. And apparently there was supposed to be like a dyno type competition going on. We were texting the guy, texted him. And we came here, talked to the dyno people putting on the dyno. And they're still doing a dyno event, just no payouts or whatever. So we're still going to run it. Hopefully that dyno will hold our trucks on it.
Ratchet straps won't that
Yeah, hopefully the straps won't break or anything. Anyways, we just got our trucks out here. It's crazy out here. There's tons of trucks. And yeah, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, me and Chase just got done dynoing, and we went over to watch some burnout contests because they started doing that when we were dynoing. Chase ended up getting pretty close to 1,000. That dyno that they had there was some raggedy dyno in the corner of their garage, and it was kind of sketchy to kind of dyno on it, if I'm going to be honest with you. And once again, there wasn't any payout, so we weren't full sending it. But Chase made $9.58, I think, and I only made $13.59 or something like that. And $13.59 was the most horsepower they've ever seen on that dyno. And when Chase went before me. That was also like the most anyone has ever seen on that dyno. So that tells you how sketchy that dyno was. I have a couple videos that I'll show you guys, or that you'll see. But anyways, right now we're just and I think we're gonna come over here and ride this mechanical bull right there after we eat. Now we're eating some hot dogs now. This event is really awesome, but yeah, let's go ride that bull. All right, Hannah's going.
No, non-dominant. No, non-dominant. 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 Really? Non-dominant. I can't hold on with that hand. Because your dominant hand controls your stability.
You gotta swing with this arm.
Alrighty. Okay, you want to scoot up a little bit more. Alright, stand up, ready? What's your secret? Ready? What? Oh my God, hold on! I've had people go over the head. Being rocket, right?
Look at his legs.
He's sitting in the real leg properly.
Woo! Oh yeah! Ouch! Ah! Oh!
Alright guys, the event's over. If you didn't see, Chase got 9.59 and I got 13.51 or something. I can't remember the exact number. But anyways, we're just getting some dinner here at this place called Western Proper. So it's like properly Western or whatever. It's actually a pretty cool place. There's some bowling and stuff like that. So we're gonna eat some food and I'll see you guys later. Crunch this. Yeah. That's a good one. Holy crap! What's uh-oh. I literally missed.
Well, shit.
Alright, we got done eating and now we're just raiding on the town in this alleyway. Just walking through the city trying to find some ice cream or something like that. This is such a beautiful city. It's so clean. So shout out to you guys in Idaho or in Boise. You guys have an amazing city. And I do not say that about cities very often. So good job. These are just amazing. I'm obsessed with these tractors and I can't believe I found so many of them. They are just beautiful.